There's some legs. Oh, wait. Defrosting. Nice. Safe full of steam. Not feeling heat coming out of it yet, though. Oh yeah, there is some ice on it, so we're gonna get steam. Line cooled off. That line's still hot. Probably just kicked in though. So another Trane XR13 defrosting. Thought it was a carrier at first, but no. That ice is not melted yet. Still no heat coming out of it though. Fan motor is very hot. So this might be a bad fan motor instead of a defrost cycle, I don't know. Fan motor is very hot. Is that steam? It's a Concord running. Someone's running down there. Oh, some ice on this pane right here. I really thought that Trane was defrosting, but it wasn't. I just turned off, I think. I'll give it a minute, just in case. Yeah, the ice has not melted. Oh, wait. The ice is melting. Now there's heat coming out of it. This is defrosting. Oh, it's steaming. Yeah, now there's heat coming out of it. All that ice is gone. Yeah, there's steam on it. So warm your hands up if they're cold. That's a lot of steam. It might have just been acting up before and then it kicked in a defrost down. That's a lot of heat coming off of it. I think it's getting ready to kick back in soon. Fan motor's still hot. That's a lot of steam. Train defrosting. It's for you, Lucas. It's a long defrost cycle. It's been in for like 15 minutes almost. All the ice is gone. That's really hot. Turn from August 2007. Jeez. I see some steam. Did the line cool off? Oh yeah, that line definitely cooled off. That line is ice cold. Oh, I heard a little click. It might be kicking back in soon. Mop. Put your hands on here to warm up. Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna click out soon. There it goes. Oh. Yeah, I think this is actually broken too. Oh yeah, that fan motor's definitely